Hello, welcome to visit GIRET plant for plate beveling machine. This is a 6-meter blade edge milling machine. It is a test run. This machine with 2 milling heads, all for the upper side to improve the efficiency. After you finish the beveling, you can make the beam backwards, and then you can lift the plate directly. This is a 3 meters one with the cutter. Now the worker is doing the job for the assemble. This one is a square tube beveling machine. This is another 6-meter unit machine for another project. And now it's under the assemble. This is a X type. You can edge milling both upper side and the lower side. This is another series for the portable edge milling one. It's a batch production and under the assembly. It's a machine, the main parts of the CNC plate edge milling machine.